Sa video natin ngayon mga maestro ay pag-usapan pa rin natin itong tungkol sa PBB 2023. Ayan, so nag-seek nga po ng update ang TDC o ang Teachers Dignity Coalition sa pangunguna po ng aming chairman na si Sir Benjo Basas, ayan, sa DepEd. Patungkol nga po dito sa status ng ating PBB 2023. Kasi syempre, di ba, maraming nag-aabang, marami na ang naiinip. Ayan, kasi nga ngayon ay November na. And mukhang mauuna talaga ang ating year-end bonus kumpara dito kay PBB 2023. Ayan, so yan na po yung aasahan po natin. Po mga kamestro? So malabo nang mauna itong PBB 2023 sa ating year-end bonus kasi by November 15 ay matatanggap na po natin itong ating year-end bonus mga kamestro. Ayan, so padala po ng sulat ang TDC, ayan, sa pangunguna po ni Sir Benjo sa DepEd, ayan, para mag-seek po ng update, mga kamaestro, patungkol nga dito sa ating PBB 2023. Ayan, so ito po, papakita ko po yung naging nilalaman ng letter. Ayan, babasahin po natin. Ayan, so syempre, credits po sa official Facebook page ng Teachers Dignity Coalition at ni Sir Benjo Basas. Sa kanila po natin kinuha itong screenshot po ng letter na babasahin po natin ngayon sa video natin. Alright, so syempre, ito ay nagmumula sa Teachers Dignity Coalition at ipinadala ngayong November 3. Ayan, so bagong-bago po mga kamaestro. At ito po ay naka-address kay Honorable, none other than our Honorable Juan Edgardo M. Angara, ating pong Secretary ng Department of Education. So nakalagay dito, Sir, the Teachers Dignity Coalition, TDC, would like to once again extend our appreciation to your good office for your initiative that led to the restoration of the Department of Education's eligibility for the 2023 Performance-Based Bonus or PBB. This positive development has brought renewed hope to almost 1 million teachers and non-teaching personnel across the country who have long awaited this incentive. As of October 28, 2025, based on verified information from the Office of the Undersecretary for Human Resource and Organizational Development, OUHROD, the DepEd Central Office CO has reviewed and submitted to the Department of Budget and Management for validation the Form 1.0 of only 2 regional offices, Cordillera Administrative Region o CAR and Zamboanga Peninsula Region 9. The rest of the regions were in various stages of review and consolidation. We understand that this internal process is necessary to ensure accuracy and compliance before the remaining forms are endorsed to the DBM for validation. It has now been a week since the update and we respectfully seek your guidance and confirmation on the following matters. So ito po yung tatlong mga mahalagang mga nilalaman po nitong letter na ginawa po ni Sir Benjo Basas at ang Teachers Dignity Coalition. Nakalagay dito, the first one is the current status of the submission of Form 1.0 from the remaining DepEd regional offices or ROs, kasi nga, di ba, based nga po doon sa lumabas na update last week, ay marami pa pong mga regional offices ang hindi nakakapag-submit, mga kamaestro, ng Form 1.0 at meron din naman mga nakapag-submit na, pero ibinalik, sa kanilang mga RO for correction kasi marami mga errors, mga kamaestro, marami mga discrepancy sa Form 1.0. Pangalawa naman ay the progress of review and endorsement by the Central Office to the DBM. So, syempre, ayan, upon review nga at walang problema, yun po ay i-forward sa DBM, mga kamaestro, for final validation. And pangatlo po, the status of submission to and validation by the DBM, which would be essential in determining the possible timeline for the release of the PBB 2023 to its intended recipients. Ayan. So, syempre, kapag wala namang nakitang mali, doon sa endorsed ng DepEd Central Office, so dapat po ay magpalabas na po ang DBM ng timeline, ayan, kung kailan ba ang estimate na pagdating po, especially po yung pag-release ng SARO and NCA for PBB 2023. Ayan, so ito po yung continuation ng letter. We wish to emphasize that this data are crucial to manage the expectations of our teachers and personnel who continue to wait patiently yet eagerly for this benefit. The PBB, while modest, has always been regarded by the teaching community as a meaningful acknowledgement of their service and dedication amid the many challenges they face in schools and classrooms. Moreover, we would like to take this opportunity to inquire whether the grant of the PBB or a similar performance-based incentive will continue in the succeeding cycles, considering that the program is currently under policy review. The TDC hopes that the teachers will continue to be included in any future incentives schemes that recognize effort, performance, and public service commitment. We also wish to convey our appreciation for your recent actions that demonstrate genuine concern of the welfare of the DepEd personnel, the refinement of the expanded career progression ECP policy, and the approval of the wellness break. These measures, along with the ongoing efforts to address the PBB issue, reflect your administration's responsiveness in addressing long-standing concerns of the teachers. Thank you very much, and we look forward to your favorable response. For Teachers Dignity, signed by Benjo G. Basas, National Chairperson of the Teachers Dignity Coalition. Ayan, so ito po yung nilalaman po ng letter na ipinadala po ni Sir Benjo Basas ngayong araw po mismo, November 3, ang pagbabalik po natin after ng ating wellness break. Ayan, so hopefully mga kamaestro, dito sa ipinadalang letter ni Sir Benjo Basas ay magkaroon ulit ng magandang development and response mga kamaestro ang DepEd Central Office, especially po yung mga regions na mayroong mga errors at ibinalik. Sana po ay sabi nga natin sa nakaraang video po natin ay magawan po agad ng paraan na makorek po yun para mas mabilis po ang magiging proseso. And at the same time, yun din po mga region na wala pang submission ng Form 1.0, sana po ay through this letter ni Sir Benjo ay ma-encourage po sila na ma-submit na po agad-agad yung Form 1.0 ng kanilang mga region para naman lahat po ng mga kamaestro natin ay masaya pagdating po ng ating PBB 2023. Sabi nga natin, mas magiging masaya sana ang DepEd kung ang ating pong PBB ay sabay-sabay pong tatanggap ng ating mga kamaestro sa buong Pilipinas, kasi pagka may nauuna kasi at mayroong mga nahuhuli, talagang hindi po natin maiwasan na magkukumparahan po tayo ng ating kanya-kanyang SDO o ng ating kanya-kanyang mga region. Ayan, so hindi po yan maiwasan, kahit gustuin mo nating iwasan ay talagang hindi natin maiwasan na magkumparahan po tayo mga kamaestro. Kaya as much as possible sana ay kung hindi man sabay-sabay, at least kahit paano magkakalapit sana yung date of release ng atin pong PBB 2023 mga kamaestro. Alright, so dito ko natatapusin itong ating video ngayon mga kamaestro. Kung di ka pa nakakapag-subscribe, click mo na ang subscribe button dyan para ikaw yung unang nakapanood ng mga videos na ina-upload natin. Katulad to, yung mga updates pa rin about sa PBB 2023 and other benefits ng mga teachers and government employees. And syempre, click mo na rin ang notification bell button para ma-notify ka. Always updated ka pag may mga bago tayong uploaded na videos. Sa muli, maraming salamat sa inyong panonood at pakikinig. Once again, El Maestro. See you on my next vlog. Bye-bye!